People who show off their levitation skills on the streets actually sit on metal stand. Bells were attached on coffin to make sure people did not get buried alive in the Victorian era. Some years ago, an incident occurred where a truck driver tried to pass under a low bridge but he failed and the truck was stuck under the bridge. There are about 2,400 different species of bacteria living in a person's navel, and more than half of them may be new to science. Due to lack of land in some places in Israel, they also cultivated on the walls. A boy asked his father, "What is the size of God?" On Friday, April 13 in 2029, an asteroid more than 100 feet wide will pass by Earth closer than the Moon and will easily be observed with the naked eyes. Dhanteras has proved to be record-breaking this time, as for the first time in the last 2 years, 15 tons of gold jewellery worth Rs 7.5 thousand crore has been sold on Dhanteras. People who show off their levitation skills on the streets actually sit on metal stand. One day, as a small child, Thomas Edison came home from school and gave a paper to his mother. In a German village, Fugiri, the rent hasn't been raised since 1520. It's cost just $1 to live entire year. In China, a man spent 50 years of his life to carve 6,000 steps in a mountain just so his wife could walk easily. You are seeing a three-dimensional projection of a four-dimensional object on a two-dimensional screen in a three-dimensional room. During the filming of Conan the Barbarian, Arnold had to cut down his workout routine because his arms and chest muscles were so big that he couldn't wield a sword properly. World's strongest fruit is kiwi. Eating kiwi reduces eye problems and increases eyesight. Japanese artist gives life to rock by painting adorable and realistic animals. Boys are actually more emotionally affected by relationship troubles than girls. They just know how to hide it well. According to a recent study, talking to your mother has the same effect as a hug and can help reduce stress levels. The sound of her voice relaxes oxytocin and is a great stress reliever. 10 million years ago, turtles could eat you with a single bite. Titanic survivor Catherine Grenal who was 16 when the Titanic sank, didn't realize the seriousness of the ship's situation until she reached New York. An Australian man typed every number from 1 to 10 lakhs in words, not numbers, on his typewriter. It took him 16 years. Famous beer brand Budweiser has sent out a bottle to every goalkeeper who has scored a goal against. When a male lion can't keep up with the lioness, she demands to mate by biting the ball of lion. A science teacher from Kenya who donated most of his salary to help poorer students has been crowned the world's best teacher and awarded a $1 million prize. Last tweet of late actor Puneet Rajkumar was just 7 hours before. Life is so unpredictable. In 2016, the entire northern hillside was struck by surf lightning, killing over 320 reindeer native to the area. Sometimes nature is ruthless. The most complex object is the known universe brain. Only uses 20 watts of power. It would require a nuclear power plant to energize the computer the size of the city. The Batan tribe in a remote part of Sulawesi, Indonesia have a rare genetic defect that gives many members electric blue eyes. When Thomas Edison needed a wheelchair in his final years, his friend Henry Ford bought one too so they could have wheelchair races. Russian brown bear who was abandoned as a cub and raised by humans has now started modeling career. In 2009, an anti-kidnapping expert in Mexico was kidnapped after giving a lecture on how not to be kidnapped in Mexico. Pink elephants can be found in some regions of India because of the red soil. Elephants take on a permanent pink color because they spray dust over the bodies to protect themselves from insects. Prevent your PC from sleeping when you need to step away. When you need to leave a computer for a few minutes, put the mouse on top of the analog wristwatch.